In this lecture, we'll explore how social psychology applies in the workplace, covering topics like hiring, performance appraisal, leadership, motivation, and decision-making. We'll examine not only the science behind these processes, but also the social dynamics that influence them. To set the stage, let's begin by looking at the field of industrial organizational psychology. IO psychology is the study of human behavior in business and other organizational settings. One of the earliest demonstrations of how social factors influence work behavior came from the famous Hawthorne studies, conducted in northern Illinois nearly a century ago. These studies found that simply being observed, just the presence of attention from the researchers, was enough to increase worker productivity. This phenomenon is called the Hawthorne effect. It was one of the first clues that social context matters in workplace performance.